Day 2 of 365 days of blessings of abundant life. So in John 1:16, from his abundance we have all received one gracious blessing after another. Today's topic is titled, I have more blessing for you than you know. When you ask me to bless your plans, I wonder if you really know what you are asking for. To be blessed is to experience and know more of me. To ask me to bless your life and your efforts is to invite me into the center of them. That is the essence of blessing, the joy of it. Oh, how I long to bless you. I want to share from my abundance one gracious blessing after another. To be blessed is to be deeply content in me. It is to make your home so securely in me that nothing can shake you. You can be blessed in the midst of a miserable situation, because being blessed doesn't mean you have no trouble or struggle or sorrow. It doesn't mean you always experience success and comfort. Instead, it means that in the midst of the trouble and struggle and sorrow, you find yourself deeply secure, profoundly content, and happy in me. To know me, walk with me, and share life with me, that is the essence of blessing. So for our reflection, so this topic, no, I really like it because this is very useful whatever you are doing in life right now. Kasi very common na misunderstanding or misconception kasi ng mga tao is that when we accept Christ in our life, like, Lord, I welcome you in my life, I'm a follower now, so i-bless mo na ako ha, happy-happy na lang, parang positive things na lang on my way kasi you're in my life na ganyan. Tapos pag biglang may mga struggle, ganyan, like, ay bakit ganito, bakit parang pinababayaan mo ako. So yan yung very common na misconception na akala natin na once we welcome God in our life, ang blessing na ini-expect natin is we tie it to something, kasi we tie it to a person, we tie it to a material things or mga worldly standard, ganyan. Hindi pala. So sabi dito is, to be blessed is to be deeply content in me. So, it doesn't mean na blessing siya just because puro happy-happy na lang. No, it's not. Being blessed doesn't mean you have no trouble or struggle. Instead, it means that in the midst of the trouble and struggle, you still find yourself deeply secure, you still find contentment and happy pa din. So it's not like kumbaga hindi siya totally na nawawala yung problema sa buhay. Andyan talaga yan dahil 'di ba, like sa akin lang in my experience lang, 'di ba? Parang binibigyan tayo ng problema, then pag na survive natin, ay okay na ganyan. And then ilang araw lang or buwan, ayan, iba na namang struggle yung ibinibigay. So hindi talaga siya mawawala yung mga ganyan. But if you have God in your life, kahit may mga times na ganyan yung buhay, may mga up and down, still you find peace, you still find happiness. And though hindi nawawala yung problema, but He gives you courage and strength na magpatuloy sa buhay. So that is also a blessing. So, binibless tayo ni Lord in many different ways. So, ang isa lang sa mga problema kasi nating mga tao, minsan nakukompare natin yung life natin ba na, ay, mas blessed si ganito, ganyan, kasi ganyan yung buhay niya, bakit yung sa akin ganito lang, ganyan. So, it's not. You are also blessed in your own way. So, lahat tayo, no? So, God, sabi niya, I have more blessing for you than you know. So, marami siyang ibinibigay sa atin na mga blessing na minsan hindi lang natin na-appreciate, hindi natin nakikita or na-feel, dahil nga, parang yung standard natin ba, yung perspective natin or yung mindset natin na yung blessing is looks like this. blessing should look like this, ganyan. So, hindi dapat ganyan. Dapat, you know how to appreciate what's in front of you, what you have, and even in the times of struggle, you still find ways to find peace, ganyan, happy, ganyan, at magpatuloy pa din sa buhay. So, ganun. So, I really like this today's topic. I have more blessing for you than you know. We just have to open our eyes and then have more understanding. And what else? To know me, it means, so yan yung reflection ko for today's topic.